Hi guys, have you been wondering how your business name can appear on Google Maps like every other businesses that you must have come across? Yes, I know customers must have complained to you on 1 or 2 occasions how they are coming to your business premises, but your business name is not on the map, so it is difficult for them to locate your business. My name is Clement Eshemuge. I am the founder of Marketconnectphc. I'm a social media manager, digital content creator. I am also a digital skill trainer. Like I'm about to teach you how you can put your business name on Google Maps. But before we go into learning this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video.
Hi, I'm here. Okay, so this is how you can add your business name on Google Maps, or better still, add your business on Google Maps so that customers can see your business, right? Step 1, if you don't have an email address yet, so you will need to create an email address for your business. To do that, type account.google.com/sign up. I would suggest that you use your business name at gmail.com. So if your business name is, let's say XYZ Nigeria at gmail.com, so use XYZ Nigeria at gmail.com. Step 2 is open your browser also and type www.google.com/maps. Now that will take you to where you have your maps displayed on your screen, as you can see. And then on the top left of your screen, you will see the menu. Tap on the menu and then you will see a drop down. Look for add your business. Yep, add your business. And then when you do that, so that takes us to step 4. Then step 5 is where you will find yourself. Start building your business profile. Now, to complete this process, I have created a video, a comprehensive video that you can use in completing this process and get your business verified. Now, it's not just how to create or build your business profile that I have in that video. I have a lot of, in fact, it is a course. It is a video tutorial that you can participate in, and then you learn more about optimizing your business and reaching more customers. Now, customers can find you. You can set your business up professionally on Google Business Profile platform. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be one of those that will see how you can get some things done on Google Business Profile in our next video. Thank you. See you next time.